To receive regular recipe notifications, do subscribe to Rajshri Food and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Hello and welcome to Rajshri Food. Junglee Sandwich is a dish that is trending on the streets of Mumbai. It's overloaded with vegetables, cheese and lots of flavorings. And today, I'm going to add a Ruchi Bharani twist and make one for you guys. So let's see how. I'm not going to make this on the griller. Instead, let's make this in the oven. So for that, first I'm just going to butter the sliced breads. I'm using the triangle sliced bread. Let's generously apply butter on both the sides. Same way, let's butter the other slices. The buttered slices are ready and now I'm going to place them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 5 minutes. While the breads are toasting, let's quickly make the filling. In a bowl, first I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Schezwan Sauce, 1 teaspoon of Red Chilli flakes, 1.5 tablespoon of chili sauce, half a teaspoon of Sandwich Masala. If you don't have Sandwich Masala, you can always add some chaat masala. 1.5 tablespoon of Mayonnaise, grated cheese. I'm using the processed cheese. Let's mix all these ingredients. Let's quickly add all the vegetables now. I have 2 tablespoons of boiled corn, half a green capsicum finely chopped, half a carrot finely chopped, half a yellow capsicum finely chopped, and salt to taste. Let's add the last ingredient, which is finely chopped paneer. This is around 100 grams of paneer. The filling is ready and now let's assemble the sandwich. Let's get the bread out of the oven as well. The breads are slightly toasted and now I'm going to spread the filling mixture. So over one slice, spread the filling mixture. Let's place the second slice on top. On the second slice, I'm going to place vegetable slices, that is cucumber. Next, some potato slices. Let's sprinkle some sandwich masala over these slices. Also layer it with some onion slices and some tomato slices. Some more sandwich masala and some cheese. Let's cover it with the last slice and slightly press it down. And now the last layer, some more cheese. This Junglee sandwich is ready to go back into the oven at 180 degrees till the cheese and the bread is nicely done. This sandwich is beautifully baked. Let's garnish it with some ketchup. My cheesy and overloaded Junglee sandwich is ready. I'm sure one of this is good enough to get you through the day. So do try this at home, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.